Hey, how's it going, guys? It's another episode coming to you, brought to you by All Pro Maintenance. I hope you guys are doing good. I know it's a rough time right now. Through these rough times, we gotta stay busy, and today I'm gonna be doing something a little different from doing my yards. I'm gonna be changing my back brakes on my 2013 Chevy 1500. And I mean, these brakes are pretty bad, so I'm just changing the back ones, and they are the brake drums shoes, so they're the brake shoes. Instead of having the brake pads, they're gonna be, because these ones have the rotors and then the calipers right here for the brake pads, and then these ones back here are the drums. So you have the drums. I need to take off the tire, take off the drum, and then it's gonna have the shoes, the brake shoes inside. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of videos on YouTube that show it. I'm gonna show you my way, and it's actually my first time doing this, so it's gonna be an adventure for both of us. I have already got some of my tools that I'm gonna be using. I got my Bluetooth speaker, gotta always have that. I just went to Autozone because I didn't want to order them online and, you know, wait for them. I need them right now for work, so I just went to AutoZone, got the Duralast 960s. I gotta always have my gloves, got a drill just in case, gotta always have the Gatorade. I got my tire iron. These right here are gonna go for the front, so what we'll do is, just for a little safety, you know, put that right there. Come around the other side. Gotta put that right there. And then we got the jack right here. So always check, guys. Got that. I'm gonna set you guys up. Got that jacked up, guys. I bought this truck pre-owned, so this is the first time I'm seeing these brakes.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright guys, I barely just got this off. I literally just pulled it off right now, and I mean, I don't think things were supposed to come off like how it did. These two little back things right here, these little pins that go right here. See, it wasn't even held back, guys. I think I was missing some parts, to tell you the truth. Because it's supposed to be held back like that, and this thing came off really hard. So alright guys, so I went and I had to go buy a little drum kit pack because this side right over here was broken off. As you can see, let me open this up for you guys. So this right here, guys, is a good pin. What it'll do is it'll hook in there, you turn it, and it'll lock it in. This right here is the pin that I had on this side, and this thing was knocked out, so it wasn't even on. I mean, I was lucky I didn't get into an accident, guys. So went down there, bought this little kit, and let's get it done. That way I can get a grip on it. That's what they do in the YouTube videos. They use these, so I should just use these instead of the needle nose. There we go. So I'm gonna put that and I'm gonna lay it down how I took it off. There we go. So this is the clip right here, guys, that I need to, so it goes up here. I need to pop this little clip off right here, this one. So how I'm gonna do that is, I'm gonna do the turn like that, is I'm gonna loosen these bad boys up, and just hold it in place real quick. Okay, so this washer goes underneath it. Bam, bam. So that will go like that. We'll take that off. As you can tell, guys, that thing was bad. I just needed this done big time. So this one goes like that. This one goes like that. I try to set everything down, guys. That way I know how everything goes back on. So now that we got that on, Guys, so now that I got them laid out, know how they're gonna go on, I'm gonna pretty much go back and put this on, put the washer on. So once you get that on, guys, let me bring you guys a little closer. So once you get that up there, you're gonna take that part that was messed up. You're gonna stick it behind right in here. Hold that up. There we go, guys. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Alright, so once we got that side on, pretty sure that, oh, gotta lock that in there. Alright, so once we got that on, we can go over here. There we go, guys. Now that we got this all in, the two little spring holders in there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the bottom spring, bring these two in right down here, and I got a new spring, so I'm gonna use the new spring. Take that. There we go, guys. So now that we got that, we're gonna take the big spring. Look at that right there. There we go, guys. All right, so maybe I didn't. It's my first time, so it's like everything I do is like. Alright, so now that I got that spring in, guys, so then I'm going to take the adjuster. Alright guys, so now that I got the adjuster on, we're going to take this little one. This right here is what clips on right here, and that is what is going to ratchet we're gonna get this one locked and loaded onto here. So now that will make it to where I could adjust it now. So now that we got that all situated, those are all in. Everything looks pretty good if I say so myself. Alright guys, so now that we got all the springs on there, everything's all in order. And these will self-adjust too as you go along. I'm just trying to get it to where it's alright. So that about does it, guys. I'm gonna start putting these all on right now, get that all cleaned up, and we should be good to go.
You and me